Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to download stickers for WhatsApp. To do this, you have just to go to your WhatsApp account and go choose any conversation that you want to put stickers on it. Click on that conversation, and after that there is a small sticker icon on the bottom left of the screen. Click on it and choose stickers, and after that, to add new stickers, you have to click on that small sticker icon on the bottom right of the screen, and here you will see all the stickers pack, and of course all of them are for free. There is a lot of stickers pack, so you can choose any sticker pack that you want to install in your WhatsApp and just click on the plus icon and it's downloaded. And if you want to see all the stickers before downloading, you have just to click on the stickers, and here you can see all the stickers available with that pack. And if you like it, you have to just click on add to your stickers, and it's added to my stickers, and here you can see all the stickers that I have on my WhatsApp. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.